Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will speak on the curriculum of the MBA in Production and Operation Management. What is the curriculum of the MBA in the Production and Operation Management? Program missions and objectives are there. Business studies have fascinated humans for two reasons, namely generating interest and augmenting essential of running a firm effectively. That is why their study is enchanting and glorifying. The primary objective of this program is to provide ample exposure to the subjects from the fields of the business legacy and accountancy, equip the students for entry level of jobs in the industry, and to contribute to the economic development of the country. Relevance to the program with HI missions and goals is functioning the following mission and vision. Mission achieving excellence in the sphere of education with particular emphasis on the pearl, pedagogy and extension, administration, research and learning. Vision affording high quality higher education to the learners so that they were transferred into intellectually competent human resource that will help in the uplift the nation, educational, social, technological, environmental, and economic magnificence. Therefore, the introduction of the MBA in Production and Operation Management program in the Directorate of the Distance Education will contribute substantially in fulfilling the mission of the university. Such a higher education is subject with appropriate practical exposure will enrich human resources for their uplift of the national education, social, technological, environmental, and economic magnificence. Nature of the prospective project of the group learners, working professionals, entrepreneurs, service personnel, academic faculty, government officials, researchers, homemakers, unemployed graduates. Appropriate to the program to attend leadership in the spearheading quality and responsible academic programs relevant to the society through the cost-effective off-campus distance mode of the education. Knowledge and understanding skills and quality other attributes in the following areas. The fundamental concept of the management, the higher level taxonomy and diversity of the business study, how principles of business can be applied to the problems in terms of training in industry, undertake intertask and techniques, interdisciplinary knowledge like statistics, mathematics, computers, and e-banking. Using the SPSS package for the analysis of the data, it also improves the intellectual skills of the student. In nutshell, these schools will improve the performance of the students' parameters. This is the instructional design for the course code for the first semester. 5 courses are there: management principles and practices, organization behavior, managerial economics, quantitative techniques, financial and management accounting. Second semester, research method, business environment, business law, management information system, human resource management. Third semester, marketing management, financial management, production and operation management, re-engineering and flexi system, manufacturing maintenance and waste management. Fourth semester, management of technology transfer and absorption, management of innovation and R&D, warehousing management, growth management, and the quality management. And course code ligand is there. This is the course number in the semester. Number of credits, total credits 20. These are the syllabus of the management principles and the practices. To introduce the basic concept of the management functions and the principles, to learn the scientific decision making and modern trend in the management process, to understand the contemporary practice and issues in the management. This is divided. Block 1, basic concept of the management, which is divided into the 4 blocks. 4 blocks, this is divided. Block 1, basic concept of the management, management definition, nature, scope and function, evolution of the management. management thought in the modern patterns of the management analysis, management versus administration, management society, the external environment, social responsibility and ethics, management science and theory, contribution to the F.W. Taylor, Henry Fayol, Elton Mayo, Rothwinger, H.S. Simon, P.F. Drucker, University of the Management, relevance and management to the different types of the organization, planning, nature and purpose, principle and planning premises, components of the planning as vision, mission, objective, managing by the objective, strategy, types and policy, planning and decision making, planning process, decision making, meaning and types, decision making process under condition of the certainty and uncertainty. Rational decision making strategy, procedure, methods, rules and projects and budgets. Block second, recruitment and selection. Organizing, nature, importance, principles, purpose and scope, organizing functions of the management, classification of organization, principles and the theory of the organization, effective organizing, organization culture, global organization. Organizational structure, departmentalization, span of the control, line and staff functions, formal and information group in the organization, authority and responsibility, centralization and decentralization, delegation of the authority, committee, informal organization. Staffing, general principle of the staffing, importance, technique, staff authority, empowerment in organization, selection and recruitment, orientation, career development, career stages, training, performance appraisal. Creativity and innovation. Motivation, meaning, importance, human factors of the motivation, motivation theory, Maslow, Hertzberg, McGregor, Ochi, Warrom, Porter Lawyer, Maclan, and Admin, psychological and physiological aspects of the motivation. Block third, functions of the management. Directing, meaning, purpose, scope in the organization. Leadership, meaning, leadership style, leadership theory, trait, contingency situation, path goal, tactical, transformational and grid, leaders, type of the nature of the significance of the functions, barriers, politics, ethics, leader versus manager. Unit 10, communication, meaning, types of the process organization in the decision making, global leading, effective communication in the level of the management, use of the communication to the planning, organizing, coordinating and controlling. Coordination, unit 11, concept, meaning, characteristic, importance in the organization, coordination process and the principle, techniques of the effective coordination in the organization. Understanding and managing the gap process. Block 4, business ethics with the new perspective in the management. Business ethics, relevance of the value in the management, holistic approach for the manager's decision making, ethical management, role of organizational culture in ethics, ethics committee in the organization, controlling objectives and process control devices of the control, integrated control, special control technique, contemporary perspective in device of the control, new perspectives in the management, strategic alliances, core competence, business process reengineering, total quality management, Six Sigma, benchmarking, balance scorecard. And these are the references. Next subject is the organizational behavior. These is divided in the block 1, block 2, block 3 and block 4. 4 blocks this is divided. Block 1, basics of the organizational behavior, history, meaning, elements, evolution, challenges of opportunity, trend, discipline, approaches, models, management function, relevance to the organizational behavior, global emergence of a organizational behavior as a discipline, personality, determinant, structure, behavior, assessment, individual behavior, personality and attitude, development of the personality, nature and dimension of attitude, trait theory, organizational fit, organizational commitment. Unit 3, emotional intelligence, implication of the emotional intelligence on the manager, EI as a managerial tool, EI performance in the organization, attitude, meaning, attitude relationship with the behavior, types and the consistency. Individual behavior and process of the organization, learning, emotion, attitude, perception, motivation, ability, job satisfaction, personality, stress and its management, problem solving and decision making, interpersonal communication, relevance to the organizational behavior, group dynamics, theories of the group formation, formal, informal group in the organization, their interaction, group norms, group cohesiveness, team importance and objective, formation of the team, group dynamics, issue and relevance of the organizational behavior. Organizational power, definition, nature, characteristics, types of the power, sources of the power, effective use of the power, limitation of the power, power center in organization. Organizational politics, definition, politic behavior in the organization, factors creating political behavior, personality and political behavior, techniques of the meaning politics in the organization, impact of the organizational politics. Organizational conflict management, stress management, meaning and types of the sources of the strategy, resolve country, consequences, organizational conflict, constructive and destructive conflicts, conflict process, strategy for encouraging constructive conflict, strategy for resolving destructive conflict. Organizational climate and culture, organizational dynamics, organizational efficiency, effective and excellence, meaning and approaches, factors affecting the organizational climate, organizational culture, meaning, significance, theory and organizational climate creation, maintenance and change of the organizational culture, impact of the organizational culture on a strategy, issue in the organizational culture, interpersonal communication, essential, network, communication, non-verbal communication barrier, strategy to overcome the barriers, behavior communication in organization, uses to the business. Organizational change, meaning, nature and causes of organizational change, important, stability versus change, proactive versus reaction, the change process, resistance to change, meaning the change, organizational behavior responses to global and cultural diversity, challenges at an international level, homogeneity and heterogeneity of national culture, differences between the country. Organizational development, meaning, nature of the scope, feature of the OD, role of the OD, problems and the organizational development, process of the intervention, challenges of the organizational development. These are the references for the organizational behavior.